Takana ramen is a savory Japanese noodle dish. Chop the pickled red ginger into small, rough pieces. Heat sesame oil. Add the ground chicken and cook until the color changes. Add soy sauce, salt, pepper, sugar, grated ginger, and dry. Then add the chopped red ginger and saute briefly. Prepare the ramen by pouring in hot water and wait for 2.5 minutes. Top the ramen with the cooked chicken and ginger mixture. Savory chicken, tangy ginger, and bold takana come together in one comforting bowl. Let's dig in.